Now we see practice set 13, standard 7, practice set 13. Question 1 is find LCM. How to find LCM? You have to write like this, 12 and this is 15. Okay, you have to write like this. Any one number is divisible by 2 starts from 2. 2 6 are 12. 15 is not divisible by 2, so I write here 15. Again 6 is divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6. Again 15 as it is. Now this 15 is not divisible by 2, so I divide by 3. Now 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. And again this 5 divide by 5, 5 1s are 5. Now here it is 1, here it is 1. You have to continue till you get here 1. So LCM is equal to, you have to multiply these factors. 2 multiplied by 2 into 3 into 5, 60. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. Now see another example, 18, 36 and 27. Again I divide by 2, 2 9s are 18, half of this 36 is 18 and this is not divisible by 2, I write as it is. 2 9s are 18, okay, this 9 and 27 as it is. Now I divide by 3 directly because all these three numbers 9, 9 and 27, these are not divisible by 2. So I divide by 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 9s are 27. Again I divide by 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9 and here it is 1, 3 1s are 3. So here LCM will be 2 2, 2 into 2 into 3 3 times, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 36 3s are I think 108. Let's see, yes, 108. So in this way you can solve this exercise. It's a first question. Okay. Now question 2, find the HCF and LCM. Verify that their product is equal to the product of the given numbers. So here we have to find HCF as well as LCM. So for this we will find the factors of 32 alone. Separately we will find the factors separately here to avoid confusion. Okay. So 2 16 are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are and again 2 1s are. 37 is prime number, so 37 1s are. Okay. Now factors of 32 are, factors of 32 1 2 3 4 5, 5 times. And factors of 37 are 37 only because it's a prime number. Okay. Now HCF is, here we see no common factor is there. So if there is no common factor, then your HCF always be 1. It will be 1. If there is no common factors between factors of any 2 or 3 given numbers, then there will be a 1 as your HCF. And what is LCM? LCM will be, see here 2, no 2s, so we have to multiply all these numbers, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, so no common. In LCM what do? We first find the common factors and then we find the non-common or uncommon factors. Okay. So here no common factors are there, so we directly multiply these numbers. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32. 32 into 37, 32 multiplied by 37. So it is 1184. So this will be your LCM. Okay. This is your first part of the answer. This is the answer of your this first part. Find the HCF and LCM. Now second part is verify that their product is equal to the product of the given numbers. Now here we see already these are co-prime numbers, so its LCM is 1184. So I write here product of two numbers or given numbers, that is product of 32 and 37, and it is 1184, and product of SCF into LCM 1 into 1184 1184, it is 1184. So we see product of two numbers is equal to product of SCF and LCM, that is the verification. This is our final answer. This is the method. Okay. Now we see next one more example. 1560. This is 15. Factors of 15 first we find. This is not divisible by 2, so I divide by 3. 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. You know how to find the factors, so I am directly writing the factors. So factors of 15 are 3 into 5, and factors of 60 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So its SCF will, I write here SCF. SCF will be, common factor is only 1, that is 5. So this is our SCF, and LCM will be, LCM is, so this is our 5 common factors multiplied by, oh sorry, here SCF is, this is not 5, it will be this 5, and this 3 is also common. Okay, so I write here 3 5s are 15. This is our SCF because 3 is common as well as 5 is also common, so multiply 3 and 5 we get 15. Now LCM. LCM means first we have to write the common factors 3 and 5. So I write here 3 and 5 multiplied by the factors which are not common, they are 2 and 2. It will be multiplication 3 5s are 15, 2s are 30, 2s are 60. Now again verification. Now first I find product of two numbers. Which are the two numbers here? 15 and 60. 15 into 60 I find answer. It is 900, and SCF into LCM, that is SCF is 15 into LCM is 60. Again it is 0 and 15 6 are 90. We see here. Therefore I will write here SCF, product of two numbers equal to SCF into LCM, that is the verification. Okay, in the same way in previous example you have to write the same. Okay, that I had not written, but you have to write it like this, that is the verification. Now we see practice set 14. Here you see question 1 is choose the right option. You can solve, you have to find the SCF of 120 and 150, and you have to find the click or write the option. Okay, second is also same. Second question 2 is also you can solve, find the SCF and LCM 14 28. We have seen this, how to find the LCM and SCF. So question 3 you can also solve this question. Now see question number 4. Find the smallest number. Find the smallest number which when divided by 8, 9, 10, 15, 20 gives a remainder of 5 every time. So for this example, first we find the LCM of all these numbers 8, 9, 10, 15 and 20. So I find LCM. because smallest number, that means lowest common multiple, LCM we will find here. Now divide by 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 10s are 20. This is not divisible by 2, these two numbers, so I write as it is. Again divide by 2, 2 2s are and 2 5s are, these are not divisible by 2, so I write as it is. Again 2, because here it is 2, 2 1s are and these numbers are not divisible by 5. Okay, now these numbers are numbers like 9 15 are divisible by 3, so I divide by 3 here. 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. Again these 5 are not divisible by 3. Again I will divide by 3, because this is 1, this factors of 8 are completed up to this. Again 3 1s are 3, these are not divisible by 5. Finally I will divide by 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. See here all 1s are there, so factors for LCM are completed. Now so we find first LCM. LCM is 2 2 2 into 3 3 into 5. Now we multiply. 5 3s are 15, 15 3s are 45, 45 2s are 90, 90 2s are 180 and 180 2s are 360. Now question, what is the question? The question is find the smallest number which when divided by 8, 9, 10, 15, 20 gives a remainder of 5 every time. That means 360, that is the lowest common multiple of all this. So you can divide 360 by 2, by 8, by 9, by 10. So remainder will be 0 in this case, but we want 5 remainder. For that we will add 360 plus 5. So whenever we will divide, it is 365 by all these numbers up to 360, it is divisible, but the remainder should be 5. So we add 5 to these numbers, so we get 365 our answer. So every time we will, after dividing by these numbers, you will get 5 as remainder. Okay. So by mistake it was 2, but after dividing by 8 to 365, let's check. Okay, 365 divided by, let's consider first number 8. You see here remainder is 5. If we divide by 9 to this number 365, so you check, dividing by 8, 9, 10, 15, 20 to this number, this 365, you get always remainder as 5. That will be our answer. This number is the 365 number that was asked in question. Now fifth question we have solved. How to solve? Then 6th, 7th, and you can solve all these remaining problems. Okay.